Today we're going to be diving into Google Gemini AI, Google's most advanced AI model yet. We'll explore its features, hidden hacks, and how to use it for maximum productivity and creativity. And I will also be sharing prompt examples that you can try out to get instant results. Before we get any further, I checked my analytics and I found out that most of you are watching my videos but you're not subscribing. Please, I want to take this opportunity to give you a chance and help me please subscribe to this channel so I get such videos. What is Gemini AI? Google Gemini AI is a next-gen AI that processes images, texts, and videos all in one place. Alright, before heading to the prompts, let's just look at the UI and we shall dive deep into the prompts. These are the different models. 2.0 Flash, we have 2.0 Flash Thinking, Experimental, then we have Flash Thinking, Experimental with apps, then we have the Advanced. Let's go to the Advanced. How much is it? $0 for 1 month, then 19 per month. So we also have the Gemini Advanced with latest AI innovations. So this is what it gives you. Let's navigate through the UI. Here is where you can create a new chart. So these are the recent or the history. We have the manager. So this is the premiered by Google. So these are the different gems. So I can create a custom gem. Since I've not upgraded, I need to first upgrade in order to use the custom gem. So let's head over to the settings. Let's select the saved info. So here is where you can customize your Gemini. Right, let's go to apps. These are the linked apps so far. We have Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Keep, and Google Tasks. So Gemini can also access Google Flights, Google Hotel, Google Maps. So we also have the media. It can access YouTube and YouTube Music. Right, let's head over to this plus icon. We can upload files from the Google Drive. We can upload files from the computer. We can also upload images. Here is where we insert our prompt, and here is where we can use the mic. So let me get an article right here. Let me just copy this link. So let's head over to Gemini. Let me paste in this link, summarize this article. This page contains a collection of articles focusing on self-improvement, covering topics like health, happiness, creativity, which is correct. This is another prompt. List the pros and cons of iOS 18 based on the recent reviews. Let's start with the pros. Increased personalization, then improved app functionality, which is correct. Then the cons, right? These are the cons you can read through. Image and video analysis. So I'm gonna upload an image and I'll ask Gemini to describe the image. Now I'm asking Gemini to describe this image. Right, let's look at the phone. The phone color is black. The brand is Samsung. Dual camera setup, 2 lens, okay. Glossy back surface, reflecting light, which is okay. Rounded corners. So let me upload another image. I want Gemini to explain to me what I need to improve. What improvements can I make in this design? So I have to improve on the festive font, which is correct. I need to adjust the colors. So these are the improvements that I have to work on. Smart writing and editing. Write a YouTube video description for a tutorial on WhatsApp web features. Basing on my prompt, Gemini has broken down the script so that I generate in my style. It has also included the timestamps so that I proper plan for my content. So write an email to sound more professional. But in this case, you can paste in your email and you'll be like, Gemini, write this email to sound more professional. Since I don't have an email that I would paste, you can try it out. But for me, I'm just getting the blueprint of how I can write a professional email. So it has given me a formal tone, clear and concise, proper grammar, appropriate salutations, strong subject lines. So this is how a professional email should look like. Research and learning assistant. Explain the blockchain technology in simple terms. So in simple terms, it has broken down the blocks and it has given an example, then also the chains, then also the decentralization and immutability, which is pretty cool. This is a cool explanation to a person who doesn't know anything about blockchain. What are the latest trends in social media marketing? So we have the platform landscape and AI dominancy and authenticity trust, then social commerce growth. And the best part is that it has provided the source links. Now here are some of the potential hacks to use in Gemini AI like a pro. Number one is content brainstorming. Alright, give some video ideas about Google Photos hacks. We have the unlock hidden search powers, we have the master editing suite, then we have the free up font space and create stunning memories, then 10 photos and AI. Suggest 5 catchy names for a tech podcast. Byte Shift, Circuit Scatter, Pixel Plus, the Tech Navigator, custom workflows. Create a content calendar for Instagram with 3 posts per week for a month. So this is the description of the content pillars. We have Wednesday, we have Friday. This is really cool for you to plan for your content. It helps you so much. So you don't overwaste time with planning, yet you have a tool that can help you out. Then you just edit what you've got. Personal productivity. Create a daily schedule for me, balancing work, breaks, and exercise. 6 a.m. to 6:30, wake up, hydrate. Then 6:30 to 7. Then 7 a.m. to 7:30, shower, get ready for a day. Then 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's a work block. Wow, this is a good calendar. You can read it through, pause the video and read through. Give a 5 minutes mindfulness routine. Number 1 is setting in. Number 2 is our body scan. Number 3, focused breathing. Number 4, gentle expansion. And yeah, that has been our Gemini deep dive. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.